Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to show you what I'm doing right now. So this whole office was all painted white and I really like the way it looks and everything, but they had one wall here and it was not painted for some reason and it had this really ugly, I don't know, it's probably from the 80s or the 90s, I'm guessing, maybe 70s. It's like this foam paper on the wall. So I'm just tearing it out right now, and then we're gonna kind of sand it lightly and then paint over it. And also you can see on the ceiling, there's like some holes they filled in, but they never painted them. A lot of people, if they're my age maybe, they wouldn't really care about stuff like that. They'd just be in here doing stuff, but that's gonna bug me forever. And I'll show you one thing. Like even there was like paint from here, you know, I'm gonna clean that up and all that stuff because all that stuff is honestly gonna bug me forever. I'm gonna be looking at it every day, I'm gonna hate it. So I'm gonna fix it up, make it look really nice and continue to work in here and improve stuff. And I have a move-in video that I will post after this about how we moved in. And then I will also make a full tour video after everything's done and put away, and I'll show you guys what the office looks like and everything. And one of my plans as well is to do a whole budget list and give you guys the real numbers about how much it costs to operate everything so you guys know. And yeah, that's my plan. Anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. This is just a short video. I'll be posting the move-in video soon and the full tour probably later in the week. Thanks guys, have a good day.